So today we're on East End Avenue, and I want to walk you guys through a full gut renovation of an apartment that's coming to an end. There are a couple of cool details here that I think that are worth discussing. One of the nicest ones that we've done here is a floating stone bench. Now, this is all Calcutta marble, and we've basically created a bench for the client, albeit the shower is somewhat compact. This bench makes the shower look a bit bigger. As opposed to building it structurally to the ground, we've secured it as a floating bench off the wall. To do this, we have structural support that is essentially reinforcing this entire wall with metal brackets that come out. And to finish it off, what we've done is we've actually taken the same slab that we've used for the curb, for the sink, for the sill, and the niche, and basically cut a bench, waterfalled it, mitered it all around, so it looks like one solid piece of stone. This is going to be a very cool shower. The owner wanted this bench for a few reasons. First and foremost, this was his primary reason. He wanted to be able to sit down and be able to bathe his dog here in a comfortable way, which is actually pretty cool if you think about it. The dog gets to get a nice shower while he's in here. He could bathe him and sit while he's in the shower. A cool feature of this bench is we've actually separated it from the back wall and from the stone so that it appears nice and floating in the middle of the shower, allowing the water to both drain properly. It's all pitched to the sides and front, and it gives it the illusion of a much larger shower than it is in this relatively compact bathroom. We've chosen some nice elements to brighten up this bathroom. As you can see, we have a penny Calcutta marble on the floors and walls cascading down, and in the shower. Outside we have 2x8 green glazed ceramic tile that I think adds a very nice touch to this otherwise marble bathroom.